Salary import allows you to import data from an Excel or text file. Importing a lot of data is easier than keying in. You can import data to Salary Master and Salary Card at the same time. Step 1. Prepare the import file. I want to update basic pay and medical allowance for all my employees with effect from January 1st. I've got the data in an Excel sheet. Let me show you how to import this into attendhrm. Make sure the commas used in number formats are removed before saving the file. Let me save the file as CSV. Step 2. Import the file. Since the file is new to attendhrm, let me create a new import format. I'm going to import to both Salary Master and Salary Card. Now, pick the file. Since the file has a header row, check this option. As you see, the system has read the data properly. Now, let's match the fields. Field with effect from is mandatory if you are importing to the Salary Master. If you are importing only to the Salary Card, you can skip this field. The field matching is done. The import is done. Click Finish to save the values, or Cancel to discard. Let's go to the Salary Card to check if the values are updated. As you see, the values are updated. Step 3. Importing from the same file again. Now, attendhrm understand this file in its format, so, when you want to update same kind of data, just fill the file again and import. Let me prepare the data again. The file is ready. Let me save it. Now, pick the existing import format, and pick the saved format. Let's proceed to import. Keep the import files in the same location and in the same data format with the same name for you to reuse them later. You can use the salary import to update salary data for all employees in one shot.